Financial literacy sounds complicated. It's not. It just means you understand how your money moves. That's it. When people hear financial literacy, they imagine stock charts, Wall Street, complex spreadsheets, rich people conversations. That's not what it is. Financial literacy is understanding 5 basic things. If you understand these 5, you're ahead of most people. Income, expenses, debt, savings, investing. We're going to define each in plain English. Income is money coming in, your salary, your side hustle, freelance work. If money enters your life, that's income. No jargon needed. If you want to improve your financial life long-term, income matters. But income alone doesn't make you wealthy. Expenses are money going out. Rent, food, transport, subscriptions you forgot about. Financial literacy means knowing where your money goes. Not guessing, knowing. You can't improve what you don't measure. Debt is borrowed money. Credit cards, student loans, car loans. Here's the important part. Debt costs extra because of interest. Interest is the fee you pay for borrowing. That's it. No complicated formula needed right now. If you understand that debt grows when ignored, you're already thinking clearly. Savings is money you don't spend. It sits there. It protects you. This is your emergency fund. It's not for investing, it's not for flexing, it's for stability. Financial literacy means knowing savings comes before investing. Investing is using money to buy things that grow in value over time. That could be stocks, owning small pieces of companies, index funds, baskets of many companies, businesses, property. Investing is how money starts working for you. But investing without understanding the first 4, that's stress. Financial literacy isn't about being fancy. It's about understanding the flow. Money comes in, money goes out. Debt slows you down, savings protect you. Investing builds wealth. That's the system. If no one ever explained it like this, that's not your fault. But now you know the framework. And once you see the framework, the jargon stops being scary. Here's your simple step today. Write these 5 words down. Income, expenses, debt, savings, investing. Then ask yourself, which one do I understand the least? Start there. One concept at a time. Financial literacy isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware. And awareness creates control. In the next video, we're going to talk about where your money is really going and why it feels tight even when you earn. You're not behind. You're building.